Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. This video is going to be mainly an update video or a sort of recap or, recollection of the past year, the year of 2024. I will be the first to admit the beginning of this year was crazy. The first couple of months of 2024, I sort of had to move like 3 times. A lot of my tech and just equipment in general just kept breaking. My Apple Pencil broke and I had to purchase another one, and I need the Apple Pencil because it helps me with editing, and when it comes to editing takes a lot of time. So I do apologize for the lack of uploads. I know a lot of you guys like the artist analysis, but I do want to, if at all possible, make some more unscripted content. I mean, for example, this video is unscripted. I'm sort of going off the wheel and just saying thoughts that are going on in my head, although I probably would be better at this if I had like some bullet points next to me, but I'm not doing that now, so you're gonna have to endure and bear with me rambling. Yeah, I do want to do my art videos of me talking about some art topics or like drawing. Just in general, I want to show my art more to you guys instead of talking about art. I do still want to do that. Artist analysis are never going to go away. I'm still going to do them because I know you guys like them. But at the same time, I want to have a balance that it's not like the case in which I have an art video and only 2 of you guys show up, then do an artist analysis video, and then all of a sudden all of you guys show up again. I don't necessarily like that happening, so I'm going to have to, wean you off of that main video. Or alternatively, I can make a whole channel dedicated to artist analysis, and another channel dedicated to art stuff, and then another channel dedicated to, well, that's in the works. So let's go with my YouTube. Yeah, YouTube has been going well for me as of late. I just passed 18K subscribers. Next year, at least by my birthday, I want to pass 20 or 25K. And a lot of my friends have told me up to this point, if I kept doing artist analysis videos, I probably would have reached at least 50K or damn near 100K up to this point. Just know that I'm doing this single-handedly. I have no help. No one's gonna help me edit or do the scripts or the editing. So yeah, I'm still doing this single-handedly. Even if I do, get more subscribers and more money, I'm still gonna be doing this by myself, since I do not want anyone else. I don't want to necessarily hire an editor if I don't have to. I think I'm fine doing it just by myself. My issue is that, and I'm sorry if this all sounds like excuses. I just want to give you guys like a better insight on my life and what's behind the scenes, so you get more context of or the reason as to why I'm not uploading with a consistent schedule, or at least once every week. That's the dream. I want to upload at least once a week, and if I do that, hopefully I can retain an audience that is here for my very dull personality. But that's just the YouTube side of things. Let's talk about Instagram now. Instagram is lost on me. I honestly haven't uploaded there in I think at this point a couple of weeks or a month. I just don't care anymore with Instagram. The algorithm of Instagram is pretty trash. I hear that, I don't know if it was Instagram or was it Twitter. I think maybe both. Even Facebook, I think too, is saying that they'll use your art, and whether you like or not, they will use to fuel the AI algorithms. And I'm like, at that point, where can I upload then? I think I'm just going to upload very low effort content on Instagram, because I'm not about to have my art style be fed to the algorithm. I'm not even big enough for the algorithm to even care, I think, personally. But if I do get big and blow up, I don't want to feed into the robots to mimic my style. But that's Instagram. That's the same thing for Twitter. Twitter, actually, I don't upload my art anyway. I sort of upload maybe about my more personal side of my life, like art stuff, maybe manga or art books or art supplies that I find. I'll just post about it on Twitter. I do browse through Twitter often, so I do want to still use that. I haven't browsed through Instagram, but I don't feel like uploading. I feel like I upload more of my personal life on Instagram at this point. What else is there? Twitch. Recently, a couple of my friends have been saying that they're going to stream at Twitch, and I've met a couple of people in my life that said they're Twitch streamers. Not particularly I guess big name Twitch Twitch streamers, but it inspired me. I also want to, like, you know, build a small mini community with, like, me and my friends to stream on Twitch and, you know, join our voice chats, you know, shoot the breeze. So Twitch, I am going to do that. Next year, I hopefully will stream more often there. And I still will stream on YouTube, of course, too. But YouTube is definitely more suited for videos, and Twitch is all about streaming. I'll see. Either way, I'll probably do both, a little bit of both, but maybe I might do more Twitch in the future as well. You know, just to sort of expand and branch out my avenues of social media and marketing and income. Speaking of income, Patreon, I'm having better ideas of exclusive content. I'm gonna do like early access stuff, process videos, sketches, and more personal things like that. I'm curious about a Discord and what that looks like. I don't use Discord often. I have one, and I used it for school for a little bit, but I don't know really the ins and outs of like servers and things like that. Honestly, the UI for Discord sort of is confusing, I'm not gonna lie. I sound like an old person when I say that, but Discord is really hard for me to know what the servers, the chats, and what is what. But if a Discord is a good idea for you guys, like, please let me know, and I'll learn how to run a Discord if you think that's a good idea. But yeah, other than that, my Patreon, I've been uploading some exclusive content, like early access videos, previews, and yeah, I realized I need to have more of a better incentive for the people to, you know, want to pay for exclusive content. And I can't do that unless people, one, know about my Patreon, and two, there's stuff that they want to see that they can only get from my Patreon. So there's that. I might also like open up the YouTube subscription thing too. People want to do that as well. I'll see. Right now, there's a lot of plans and things going on in my head for what I want to do for the new year, because this next year, I'm low-key sort of tired of working a job, which is the most childish thing I could say. But I do really want to focus on my YouTube and like an online art career. I see other people do it a lot, and I sort of want to do that too. So I'm gonna have to work at this hard to make that real. So I'll do what it takes. I've gotten this far with pure spite being my only fuel. So yeah, I think I could do this. I could pull this off this year. I know people say it all the time, but 2025 has to be my year. It's gonna have to be my year. I said that for 2024 and 2023 as well. Honestly, 2025 might, you know, thoroughly kick my ass too, but you know what? I have to speak it to existence at least. So yeah, the new year is coming up. I'm getting a good feeling about this coming year. I have the foundation set. I have the social media right there for me. The equipment is not really there. I will admit that. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my mic quality is sort of a bit different in this video because I'm sort of in a different place from usual, and I need to get a new cord for my mic. Hell, I might need to get a new mic in general. I hope to, you know, purchase soon. But yeah, I also have this very old laptop that's. Honestly, it's screaming every time I upload a video that's over 15 minutes or even over 10 minutes. So ideally, hopefully in the future, I get better equipment, hopefully a desktop in the future too, and a better chair because my back hurts when I edit. And ideally, I don't want to have to keep scripting videos. I just want to be able to talk in the mic and make these videos and speak to you guys with my most authentic self, because in reality it is just me talking to the ether, because right now no one's around me. But yeah, that's sort of like the updates. I will try to upload more videos. I ideally once a week, or even twice, or once every 2 weeks. Ideally once a week, hell, even twice a week would be really nice. I'll see about that. I need to make content. I can't expect to grow big if I'm not uploading. And if I'm not uploading, people aren't going to, you know, stick around for that. And I can't expect people to stick around if I'm gone every 2-3 weeks and have a video. Gone every 2-3 weeks, there's a video. I don't think people like that. And if people do like that, it'll be until I'm more well established. But anyway, yes, that is the video. That is the update video for the new year. Happy New Year, by the way, guys, for whenever I upload this video. This year has been a blast. It's been a crazy year. Again, past 18K. Here's to making at least to 50K maybe next year. And here's to uploading more art videos. If you like this video, well, I don't know if you like this video. This is mainly updates. You don't have to like this video. But comment the video. Comment your video on things that your thoughts on this channel, thoughts on my content, thoughts on what I should upload, thoughts on should I do tutorials? How? I don't even know. Do people do tutorials these days? I don't even know. Subscribe. I love it when you guys subscribe. I love seeing the number go up. Like the video. I think liking the video does something. I think it feeds it to the algorithm. I am not entirely sure either. Instagram, you can follow. Twitter, you can follow if you want. Twitch, you can follow. I haven't done a lot there, but I will do more. This year is the year I'll do more streaming on Twitch. Patreon, if you want to support me, you can give me $1, or was it $3 or $5 or $10? Or if you want, you can become a free member. I'm honestly down for either or a free member or paid member. I just want more people to be aware of my Patreon, because I want to spread out my revenues of income. Yeah, thank you again so much, you guys, for sticking around with me for this long. I hope you guys stick around. I have an idea who my next artist analysis is going to be, but before that, I'm going to, do some more art videos on the side end, so you guys could associate with me being an art channel and not an anime channel. Anyway, thank you again. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.